Christmas. We hope that you feel the spirit of Christmas as you view the lovely lights and listen to this delightful choir. We also hope that you will find as much joy as being here this evening as we have found in preparing for your visit tonight. For your comfort, we have chairs, and it looks like we don't have quite a full crowd for this performance, but we do have seating just behind the grassy area, behind the front seats here. Tonight we will hear from the community choir at the San Diego Temple. The choir is comprised of several talented vocalists from San Diego County. These choir members come together each year to perform at the Sights and Sounds of Christmas. Director Brian Long and accompanies Tatum Belroy.
Thank you. We appreciate your applause. It's definitely appropriate. It helps us feel good about what we're doing, and we'll sing better if you do it too. So don't hold back. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. We actually have a choir plant down here, you know. You just put her down there and she starts clapping, and people clap too. It's great. Welcome so much for joining us tonight, or thank you so much for joining us. Welcome. This is our final performance, not just for tonight, but as this choir this year. We've been meeting since October and practicing and working really hard on these songs to present to you guys tonight. And we'll get together again, I'm sure, in October, right, everybody? Yeah. And we'll do it all again. This is my 3rd year doing this, and who's been with me for 3 years now doing this? Yeah. How about 2 years? Who's new this year? Hi, new people. Yeah. All right. That's great. So we're thrilled to be asked to participate, and we have these singers from all over the county. Before I forget to, as our last performance, I'd like to recognize our very talented accompanist, Tatum Valeroy. She's also my colleague. We both teach at the same high school. She teaches choir, and I teach band, actually. We're kind of on opposite sides of that for this program, but it's a lot of fun. Next, we're going to sing John Rutter's Candlelight Carol, kind of tone things down a little bit. Super beautiful song. Hopefully it gets you in that Christmas spirit.
But Mary will hold
Thank you so much. It's fun to sing a cappella. It's kind of a challenge for the choir each year. You know, there's some freeway noise and helicopters and spaceships. I don't know what else. It's kind of tough to do a cappella outside, no matter what. And I always tell them like, oh well, you know, maybe we'll ask Tatum to play and accompany us. And they're always like, no, we got this. We can overcome. And they've done that each year. So I'm very proud of them for doing that. Next, we're going to sing. It's called A Midnight Clear in Bethlehem, but it's kind of a compilation of music from Gesù Bambino and some of the Italian lyrics and English lyrics from that, and also other Christmas Carol lyrics thrown in. It's got a fun kind of lilting dance feel to it. And I hope you can kind of keep track of all the things that are going on, and I hope you enjoy.
Above thy deep and dream.
bittersweet moment for us has come. This is our last song for the season, and I'm sure, like the singers behind me and Tatum and I and you guys, we all have busy schedules coming up, right? Friends and family and concerts and caroling and singing and lights, and just, if I could ask all of us to try to stay focused on what's important and why we celebrate this season. What are we doing? You know what? Why are we doing all this work? Why are all these lights here? Why did we spend all this time rehearsing? It's a glorious time of the year. Let's try to look for that glory in those day-to-day, even the busy days, things. And again, thank you so much. I would like to express my appreciation to the entire choir behind me, all this fantastic, talented singers, and all the technical people, all the lights and sounds, and for our event here, and then of course the entire temple grounds here. It's a fantastic event. We love doing it, and we're definitely looking forward to next year. Please come back. Please come see the other choirs that are this coming weekend, and thank you again so much for joining us tonight.
No
applause for the community choir at San Diego Temple, Director Brian Lund, and accompanying Taylor Ballroom. We hope you enjoy the lights, and we have the creche to the right. We have Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus just behind you. And as you leave, if you need to use the restroom, they're by the main entrance behind the west wall. As you leave the parking lot this evening, please be safe and courteous for other drivers also. Merry Christmas and good night.